This is a kurtzy shutter lock monoblock D-shackle padlock. It has a 5-pin dimple core in it. First of all, it can be raked. I didn't get it to open with the zip tie, and it won't do the thing like the Britannium where I slide the pick or the rake back behind the pins, and then just kind of pop it like a key, but it doesn't work with this one. So I guess it's got that going for it. It's actually more difficult to rake, or I'm sorry, it's actually more difficult to pick than it is to rake. That's the bitting on it. Let me find my pick. I forget which one I was using. So there's nothing on one. Pop it under 2. Back to the back. 2, 3. So maybe that was 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I might just overset number 2. Nope, we're open. All I had to do is raise number 3 up a little bit. It doesn't give a lot of feedback, and it kind of feels like there might be tapered pins in there or something. But I don't know if it's just bad tolerances or if there's tapered pins. I can't take this lock apart to find out, so we're just gonna have to go by feel. But that's the kurtzy shutter lock.